Welcome to section 4, Integrate React Router with Redux. I'll teach you what is Redux and how Redux works. You will learn how to implement the Redux in React application. I'll teach you how to connect Redux with React Router, how to create actions, how to create store, how to create reducers. Let's talk about what is Redux. In this video, I'm gonna teach you what is Redux and how Redux works and why do we need Redux in our React application. Redux is an open source JavaScript library for managing application state. If you are building complex application, then you will divide your application state into multiple components. Let's say you have 50 components. You will create a state in each component. If you have to interact with multiple components, it would be hard for you to pass the state with the help of props. So Redux is another way you can say that a predictable state container for JavaScript apps. I told you if you are building complex application, it would be hard for you to manage the state because Redux allows you to have or maintain the state in a single state object. It is called the store. The entire state of an application is stored in one central location. It's a single source of truth. It would be easy to test, it would be easy to debug, or it would be easy to implement the logic. You are going to use Redux in React application. Let me tell you how Redux works. You will have the view, which is our component. Let's say we are going to build the counter application. We will have plus button. When you click on the plus button, it is going to add the increment. When you click on the negative button, it is going to add the minus. It is going to minus the value. Let's say we have a view. View, it could be button, something like that. When you click on the button, it is going to dispatch the action. So action could be increment. Let's say you have dispatched the increment action, then the reducer will reduce the state. Reducer will update the store, and then view renders the new state. You are not allowed to directly update the state. You have to dispatch the action. Action calls the reducer, then reducer will update the store, and then view renders the new state from the store. All of your application data is in a single data structure called the state, which is held inside the store. The store will have a single state object, and your app reads the state from the store. I told you that with the help of reducer will update the store and you can access the new store. The state is never mutated directly outside the store. You have to dispatch the action, then action will call the reducer. The view emits the action. I told you, the view or the component will dispatch the action. A new state is created by combining the old state and the action by a function called the reducer. I'll teach you why do we need reducer.